What is going on, you guys? Welcome to a very special unboxing of, well, none other than this Call of Duty Black Ops 4 Mystery Box Edition. I'm really pumped and excited for this game. And as you can see, it's for the PlayStation 4. And yeah, we're going to unbox this. And I've been really interested in this edition because of, let me show you around the box too. Because of this, the Mystery Box. Now, Treyarch has been known to give us some pretty good collectible things to, such as even the Juggernaut mini fridge. My light just went out. So they've given us things such as the Juggernaut mini fridge, which I have and use till today. Works amazing and it's very useful. Now they said that they have something that they think is the best thing. Now we'll find out if it's very useful and if it's the best thing or not. But this is the Black Ops 4 Mystery Box unboxing. So let's get into this. Alright, just need a little knife here. Has sides to open up right here. Just slide it here. We have two in the back, two in the front. That pretty much holds everything together. And I'm digging the artwork on this whole thing. It's actually pretty nice. And the way it comes out is you slide this out completely. So just push it out, and there we go. Put this away to the side for now. But yeah, here we have all of our new zombie characters. You guys can see the front. It's probably Scarlet in the front, I think. Then here's the side again. Here is the back side. Got Bruno over there. And once again, we have this over here. I'm going to try to open this up your way so you guys see along with me as to what we get inside the box. There hasn't been many unboxings of this, and I haven't really seen many pictures or videos leading up to maybe 2 days prior, proper pictures or videos of the mystery box, which is why I wanted to give you guys a video as to what it looks like, how it's sized up, because some pictures it looked big, some pictures it looked small. We couldn't really tell how big it was. But here's how we start off with opening. Just plastic. Let's kind of just move it to the side. And here, the first thing that we start off with is the posters. I'm actually going to shift this over to the side a little bit and kind of start laying these things out. But we get 4 posters of the zombie maps is what I think in here. And I'm actually just going to leave them in here because I don't know if I'm going to be using them anytime soon. But what is this? Basically, this is what I'm looking at. Really not much going on yet. Okay, well, we got batteries. We know where this is going to go inside the mystery box, so we'll put that to the side for a second. Here, if we pull it out, we get the limited edition Call of Duty Zombies 10 years. Now, this is a puzzle piece for 1,000 pieces, and there's reflections a lot. But this is going to be pretty fun to put together in my free time, so let's put that there. And we'll start to see if we can removing some of these things here. I guess not, no. But here we go. Get more cardboard. Nothing in here. Oh, I see it. I see it, you guys. All right, we get styrofoam. Don't need that. All right. I guess that just holds it right there. Here is the main thing. Oh my god. Pull it out. Move this over. Here is the Black Ops 4 Mystery Box Zombies Edition. I think everything is in here, if I'm not mistaken. I think so. We're going to go ahead and move this big box to the side. We don't really need that. The majority, or basically all of the stuff, is going to be in here. This thing actually has some weight to it. I put it about a good 5, 6, maybe even a 7 pound-ish. But yeah, the details on this box. Well, these things they can actually hurt someone. Yeah, this thing is pretty good. Now, obviously the battery is not in here, so it's not going to make the noises, but I'm going to put this to the side here for a second. And we get this again. Oh well. Alright, let's start off. Here's a Steelbook. I already know the game is in there, but we're gonna open this up, which I think contains the pop socket. Yes, this contains our Black Ops 4 pop socket in this. We're just gonna put it right back in here, and that's actually a pretty useful thing. Let's move that over. Now we have the Steelbook. This is what houses the game. Sucks that other people got to play online earlier, but it's whatever. But here it is, the Black Ops 4, along with our pass for the classified map, and I guess some other things, if I'm not wrong. Oh yeah, there's several papers in there, so that means there's a lot more in there. We're going to go ahead and install the game really quick, because I know the update file is pretty, like 55 gigs, 50 gigs. So we're going to go ahead and get this running in the background while we pick back up in here. Alright, I got the game popped in. Not much of an issue, because I got gig speeds download. So good thing that's working for me right now. And while that's happening, we're going to go ahead and finish up with the rest of the unboxing. So another thing that we get in this, it's kind of how it looks like right here. We get this, I believe, are our patches. Yeah, there we go. All our specialist patches, which look pretty awesome. I'll show a close-up, in-depth. I'll do a quick montage of this so you guys can see everything up close and personal of how these things look. Now, I think in here is the first edition of Call of Duty Zombies. This is a comic. I'm gonna leave this in here, and then basically what we see here, we also get a poster. It's about maybe this big. Yeah. Oh, someone asked me for a very special request, so I'm gonna fulfill that really quick. Is regarding this poster. Someone really wanted to know what size this is, so I put this at about maybe, so is it 12? It's about 15 by about 9.75. Somebody's going to be getting theirs much later, and they wanted to be able to frame these as soon as they got it, so they wanted to pick out the frame. So that is the size for you. And as far as the mystery box is concerned, we got one more thing in here. The mystery box is about 15 to 17 inches, about 17 inches across, and about, yeah, it's about 12. So it's a pretty good size, not too bad. Now in here, I think the last thing we get is the fig pins. These are the collectible fig pins of Bruno, Stanton, Diego, and Scarlet. These are awesome. You can kind of like put them to a lanyard or backpack or a jacket if you have. I kind of just like them in here, so I'm going to leave this in here, but I think it's time that we pop some batteries into this and listen to the sounds of exactly how this mystery box sounds, because I heard it was great. So let's pop some batteries into this and turn this thing on. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and switched the mode, but here's how this thing sounds, okay? It goes on for a quick minute. Let's go ahead and turn the lights off and... Oh, it makes a noise when you close it too. Let's turn the lights off and get a better view of this with the lights on. So let's do this. going to go ahead and switch into handheld to show you that how exactly the lights look up close and personal. So let's do this. So they light up all around. Alright you guys, so that's how it is up close and personal. This is pretty cool. One thing I'm a little saddened about is I wish the top part also lit up. It's sad that it doesn't, only the bottom part does. But I mean, nonetheless, it's still pretty cool to resemble the game. And that's the noise it makes once it closes. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I'm going to leave a quick montage and an up-close look as to exactly what we get, because there was a bit of a reflection on the screen. If you guys liked what you guys saw, there will be more content like this. I'll be live streaming soon, so that details will be available here on this video in the description. So check back on my social media, which you can also find in the description if you want to follow me there. And I plan to do some streams on either Twitch or YouTube, maybe both, who knows. But yeah, this has been the Call of Duty Mystery Box Edition unboxing for the PlayStation 4 system. I hope to see all you guys online, and peace.